So welcome to my channel. We will start in a few minutes. Let's look to the Bitcoin price, the last status. Should we believe the moon boys or not? Okay, you can see the screen. Okay, we can start here. Most of the moon boys predict here very high prices that we will start the bull run and so on. The question is this true or not? Yeah. So let's talk about the facts. Yeah, we have in 4 days and 5 days a Fed meeting. Yeah, if you are here expert and following the Fed meetings, that the Fed is has the power to steer the market. Yeah. So if we look here to this area, a long term, I would say, okay, if you look here from June, this is long. If you take this from 2021, this is not long. Yeah. So if you look here to the sideways movement, then you should recognize that something is not going wrong, right? Yeah, with the Bitcoin price, because you can see we test this level here, and we are in a weak area. So that what I see in the Moonboy channels is that they compare this area here with this area here. Here. They say, okay, we are here. Yeah. We will go here a little bit to the downside, like here, and make this. Yeah. This is the dream scenario what they have in the mind. Yeah. But really, this is wrong because we are not in the same area what we have here. This 2020 is a complete different pattern, yeah, that what we see here. So if you look here to the chart, yeah, if you want here the right information is that we test in really the lowest level. That means we test in really this here. And we will fail because this whole construct here is manipulated. Because this pattern is normally a positive pattern. That means the price have to go here like this to the upside. This construct is highly manipulated. Yeah. And that's the sad information here, that many people believe that this here is the same like that. This is a complete different area. We are still in a negative trend. If you look here, we are still in this big negative trend. So I'm wondering why they spread this information that we have to go or should go here to the upside. You can see clear. Every blind man can see this. The moon boy is not. Look, we have here clear channel or resistant, yeah, and we have clear this resistance. So why they talking about the situation that the price will go here to the upside and make here a new bull run? You can see both lines are crossing, and this is a bad area. So in my calculation, what possible is maximum 25,000. Yeah. If they stretch a little bit in the direction of 26,000, then this is a fake outbreak like this, yeah, and then we're going here to the downside. So to say, okay, the price will go here to the upside and we will start here bull run is highly danger. Yeah. And the Fed now, in 4 days the Fed meeting, and they will manipulate the price to the downside, yeah, because they start the manipulation here, or the big boys of hält and blah, yeah, they start the manipulation here. No, normally we have to go like this to the upside, but they have, how can I say, they put the price in the past to the downside and let the price going here sideways. Yeah. So we're looking here more inside. Then we change to the crypto requests. So I will look to the chat. So let me look. So hello together. Thank you. So greetings back to Petersburg. Yeah. Today in Germany is very cold. So we're looking here more inside. I look to the chat. If you want requests, you can write. So let's talk about this situation. You can see the X here, and let me look here to the indicator. Okay, we already open here. So let's talk about this situation here. We have here two alternatives. Okay, this is our resistant. One possibility is we're going out of this negative channel and make this, yeah, going on this negative channel to the downside. In the end of the day, this is positive because if we are going out of this negative channel, then we are here and we have only then one resistance. This is easier to break through, yeah, than to break here two lines. So this is a benefit if you see that the price is going here at 23,000 and we are here in October, yeah, or mid of October or November, then this is an indicator that the Bitcoin price will break out. That is a clear signs because we are not going to the downside. We are here on this line. Everything is okay. We're going here not to the downside, and we can make here a really quick upside trend. So, but in real, this formation is a positive formation, uptrend formation. But you can see clearly that the whales manipulate the price here to the downside. We make this in red, yeah. They took the price here to the downside. We have then a mini uptrend here. This is already broke here to the downside. If you look here, yeah, so we missed the opportunity here the first time, the second time here, and we missed the first, second, and the third is this. Yeah. So they manipulate here 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and now if you look here more inside, then you can recognize that we test in real test this level here. We make this in blue. Yeah, that means this is our last resistant or last test, because after that you can see also in the RSI we have no possibility here to come to the upside, yeah, because this is an inverse left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. And I think if I look to this formation, then I think this is the last try to go here to the upside. In real, this pattern looks like this. If this play out, the price is going here to the downside. We're going here sideways movement, yeah, to build here the head, yeah. At November we have to look here more detail because I expect that the market here will break out here. So this is, I would say, between November and December. Um, we have to look here more inside and detail. It is possible that we make this, yeah, and go here to the downside, and this is for us the sign, yeah, the sign that the price can go here to the upside. I'm gonna look this in big. So yeah, so we have to look here. This is the first possibility. The second possibility is the veils stretch this very to the downside. That means you can see the second wave is coming from here. Let me look here more inside. Let me look. Yes, you have to look here to this here. This is very interesting because we have the bloom circle. This is a very positive formation. Yeah. Let's say the whales manipulate the price. We make this in orange. They manipulate the price here very quick to the downside. Yeah. Normally we get here something like that is also possible. Yeah. That the prices make this. Yeah. This is our head. If we can break this, we can sit here. Yeah. Or they can manipulate here a little bit to this. Then we have in big a left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. Makes sense because I expect here an outbreak in the new year. Yeah, January, February, March. Yeah, because then we build here the right shoulder. Then we have a perfect left shoulder head and right shoulder formation, and we can break out here. Yeah, if this play out, turn out, then it is possible that we see here really big move to the upside. But today, at these moments, I expect a really hard crash to the downside. I think the Fed will crash here the market to the downside. Let's look to the chat what my subscriber write to me. So back hide back to you. Yeah, it's okay. They can if you okay. So your choice. Let's look to Ethereum. I think Ethereum is here interesting to look. Let's look. Okay, the price is going here to 1,400. If you look here to the okay, if let's look here to the first to this here, you can see that we have here uptrend and Ethereum stay on this uptrend. Yeah. So if I look to this, normally we have a good sign here. Yeah. Normally we have to go here to the upside, yes. Yeah. Like this. But what possible is the whales can manipulate the price to the downside. Then it's clear for me. If we fall or drop from this line 1300 to the downside, then it's clear where the journey is going, because then we have to make a retest, yeah, and then finally go here to the downside. If you look here, also manipulated uptrend. Normally we have to go like this to the upside, but the whales manipulate this to the downside. This is seen, yeah, and you can see then we have to look to this area. We have a support at 800 or 914, because you can see we test this and then break here out. You can see we tested the second time and now the third time. So the third time is not the place in which we're going here really hard to the downside. This is the place in which we make here really good uptrend. Yeah. something like that. Let's delete. So we make this like this, and we have a little bit uptrend. Let me look. And then the next is the worst. Then we could get something like that. Yeah? So we have to look here. If you're asking me, yeah, in which areas the Ethereum price will go, let me make this a little bit. Then I expect that the Ethereum price is going more than the 500 to the downside. Yeah, let me look. We can expect this. We can expect lower prices than 500. Yeah, exact price, please write in the word price target. I give you the reason why this is so. Ethereum has a low or had a low channel. Now, if you look here in the past, then you can see that we since or trading since 2016 in this range. Yeah, you can see the range is very small, between $8 and $400. That's the reason why I predict for Ethereum a lower price, because the base is here at this level. Look here, 200, 300, yeah, 400, or if you take here 600. So that what you see here, this is past, yeah. This is a manipulated price. We have to come down to these levels so that we can start here really good uptrend. Yeah. But if you look here to this construct, yeah, then this construct has place to 80,000. No financial advice. This 80,000, I think Ethereum will go. Let me look until I think horizon. If when the bull run starts here 2025, then I think if we see this segment in 4 years, yeah, if you calculate, let me look what we have here, cycle 18 to 21, 4 years cycle, then we can expect this 80,000 at 2029. Yeah. This is possible to predict here the 80,000 because we have here really good pattern. This is extreme powerful, and but short term you can forget Ethereum, because the whales, they are not stupid, because they won't get the Ethereum price very cheap. Yeah, for these people is 1,400 very expensive. they they will buy this very cheap. Yeah, they are not stupid. Yeah, look, Ethereum price was here at 20. Yeah, so they manipulate the price. Why they should buy the Ethereum price at 1,400? Make no sense. Yeah, so these are sharks. Yeah, so I think the price will go short term to the downside, but I see here potential here to 80,000. So we're looking here to the chat. Let's look to Quinty. This is very interesting. These are key cryptos. Yeah, if you hear here Quinty, Ethereum, these are gems. Yeah, so even if we predict here short-term lower prices, these cryptos are long-term very exclusive and very, how can I say, very performant. Yeah. So if you look here to the Quinty price, then you can see here a left shoulder hat and a right shoulder formation. and we could go here short term to 140 back. Yeah, but you have to keep in your mind that this year is how can I say, a game of the whales, because we already here 80% finish. Yeah, so what if the price is going here to 140, yeah, to this levels back to test. Yeah, that what is coming is even, yeah, I would say worse, because if you play out or turn out this in your head, you can see we have a double top, and this double top is extreme negative, so that we could get lower price here at QNT. You can see also we have here super uptrend, but the triangle is getting closer and closer, so that I calculate with a drop here, so that the whales manipulate is also here, and then finally the price is coming here to the downside. It is a opportunity, possibility to get here or get in here very cheap, because the potential of QNT is very high. Yeah, I think we have here 2025. So I think we could go here a little bit sideways, yeah, and then we have to break here out, yeah, and build here the next structure. Yeah. If you're asking me for the end target, forget it. The QNT price is very, very high. Yeah. So if you want here exclusive or detailed analysis, come in the Wolf price target. The trend line is going very hard to the upside, so that we can calculate here really higher prices. Yeah. But for the moment, it makes no sense to look here to the higher prices. It is important to look here to get here the best getting price, so that the price will go below here the $50. Yeah, we have to look here then in, I would say, in 2 weeks again. Let me look. Let me look here. You can see the uptrend, and the next move is to the downside. So this is a manipulation area. As you can see, the uptrend is begin here at June, yeah, and we not yet broke here this. So I think the next move to the downside, if we break here the uptrend, is painful. Yeah. So we're looking here to the next crypto. Chilis, very good. One of my favorites here. I like chilis because the reason is, let me look. The reason why I like chilis, let's look to this. So the reason why I like chilis is that this crypto is go in the past from 0.01 to $1. These are 100x. Yeah, this is not normal. Yeah, if you see a crypto that is going 100 times to the upside, then you have to wake up. Yeah, because the next time is not 100 times, the next time is 50 times higher. So then then you have to calculate. Then you have to take here the half of this, yeah, and then you can calculate here 50 cent with 50. Then you are landing at $25. So yeah, you can see 25. You are here at 20 cent. You can buy here, yeah, but this is not the lowest price. Yeah, this will happen. This is not a, how can I say, a random number. This is calculated, yeah, also in the past from my side, and this will explode. Yeah, this is the fact here. But the $25 is not the end target. If you want this, then you have to come in the Wolf price target, because there I show you how this is possible. So we're looking here to Chilis. So the problem here at Chilis is we already broke our uptrend. You can see clear, and this is a stupid sign for us because the price will go here to the downside. I'm not wondering about this because here in this formation we are nearly, let's say, 80-90% already finished, because we wait here for the Fed meeting. This is here at 20th of September. Yeah. So this is the end game here. So I expect that the price drops here to the downside. Then we are landing here. This is a weak, not cheap. This is a weak area. We will break this through, and the Chile price will go here to the downside to test the old levels. Yeah. So from this point here, you can see that the negative trend line goes from this area. We have a support from this, and the Chile price, you can see exact. You can see here the triangle. Look here, exact January, February here at these levels. The price will break out. Yeah, the whales will play here a little bit. Yeah, and you can see this a W pattern. We will break here this out, and we will see this here. Yeah, so in the new year, something big is coming. Yeah, this will end, but we will not see the bull run. This is only a pre-step to build here the structure. It is also possible that we can test the 60 cent, but in the end of the day, we have to build this. Yeah, come here down at 2024 and 25. They're really hard, like this here. Yeah, you can see we built here in the past our formations, and this huge left shoulder head and right shoulder we build here at the moment. We can see this, yeah. And then if this turn out, then you cannot stop Chilis. Yeah, this is like this. In one day you have here maybe 20x. Yeah, if the price is here 50 cent or let's say 80 cent, and in one day you have this 20x. Yeah. If you invest here 100,000, then you have here 20 times higher. These are 2 million. So which next? Let's look to Theta. Theta is also a very high, very quality crypto. Yeah, if you look here to Theta, I like this because we have, oh my god, this is a $1. So I already predict this year at 16. Let's look, $12. This was, yeah. I said the price will go here to $2. Yeah, you can see now we're reaching here or reach here $1. So prediction is coming true. And at the Theta token, by the reason why I'm like this is we have a big hammer, and this is huge aggressive. So this will, if this turn out, uh, this will explode. Yeah, this is like this. Yeah, the price is at 75 cent, and this is going here to $15. Also here, we are near to break here our negative trend. Yeah, let's look here. Yes, at the moment we have not the energy to break this. It's the same like the Bitcoin price. Yeah, the whales manipulate. Yeah, the negative trend is here. This is the long-term negative trend. This is the short-term negative trend, and we have not the energy to break here out. That's the problem because the whales they don't want this. They want that the price is going until December to the downside. Yeah, that's the reason why they manipulate this whole construct. Yeah, so we already test here our lower levels. You can see this also here. Yeah, we are out of range. That means here we're not seeing this. We will see formations like this. So I expect 50% drop, 50 cent, something like that. And in the new year, if we break here this will happen. I think November. Yeah, November, December, this is the place in which the cryptos will go here a little bit sideways. And you can see then we will break this negative trend and coming in the near of the big negative trend. Yeah? And that's this event in which we have the power to form here our very good formations. But this is not the bull run. Yeah, please keep this in your mind. The Moon Boys say or talking about the bull run. This is not the bull run. This is only a retest of these levels here. Here, yeah. This is maybe the opportunity to get in very cheap. Yeah, and look in which areas the market can go. Yeah, we have to test first this, then down again. And I think if you want the end target here for for Theta, this is very, very big. Yeah, you cannot imagine. This is not $12, this is not 16. This is very, 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 very high. Yeah. So if you want this, please become a Wolf Price Target member. Then you can request there, and then I can make for you the prediction. The reason why we have here so big numbers is if you look here in the past. Look here. You can see the price was here between 0.003 and 20 cent. Yeah. Same game here. If I predict to you the price will go to $16, then you would say the Wolf is crazy. Yeah. But exact this behavior we see here at the moment. Yeah. In this chart. Yeah. And if this starts here to go here to the upside, then the $16 here is peanuts. This is peanuts. So we're looking here to the next crypto. Let's make AVAX. I would make here one more crypto, then I would finish the live stream, then I would make video analyze for you. We have interesting cryptos there so that you can look this offline. So we have here AVAX. This is very hot. You can see that we have here inverse left shoulder head and right shoulder formation. We are in the low areas. If you look here, yeah, we are not in the low areas, but near the low areas. Yeah, if you look here, we test this here, here, and here. And normally, this is the weakest area. That means if we drop to the downside, then it is possible that we break this structure. Yeah. and I think we will come back to this here, $4.80 or something like that. We have to come to these areas. We have to come out of this negative channel to build here the structure. And now here the question is, has or have AVAX the power to break out here through this formation? Yeah. If you look here to the left shoulder, then I think it is possible. The left shoulder is very strong, and we can build here the structure. You can see from, I would say, December to March that we build something like that, yeah. And this is here positive, yeah. If you're asking me, is this the bull run? No. You can see we have here clear resistance, support, break, resistance, yeah. So we need the time until 2025 to break here through. The same here for AVAX. This is a very exclusive, very very hot, very performance crypto. Yeah, if they not manipulate, if the project is not going down, yeah, then this will go very very high. Yeah, this is like the 80,000 in Ethereum. Yeah, so how much is the Ethereum price at the moment? 1,500. Yeah, and you can see what I predict here for Ethereum. This is the same here. We are here at $17.9, and we have to talk about here at for AVAX, yeah, about these levels and higher. So let's look. Let me look. Yes, we will go higher than 400, but um, for detail, please look to the world price target. Then you get there your target. But it is possible that to reach this, because this is here the same structure like the Ethereum price. The price was here $11, and you can see how much this is going here to the upside. So the next wave is bigger than this year. This was only the pre-step. So we're looking here to the next. So Stella Cardano Reef, okay, KSM. Let's look to XRP if you want. These are key cryptos. These will go here to the upside. This is clear. Yeah, these are key cryptos, and you can see here from this spike, 18 cent to $3, yeah, and this is for us a really good sign. This spike, in which direction the journey will go. This is incredible. That what we see here at the XCP price is incredible. For me is here levels of $12 and higher, very very possible. Yeah, so you can see we have here our resistance. Yeah, you can see here we broke here this structure. Yes, you can see here this clear in the RSI. So we test here these levels. Yeah, and the journey here is for XCP to the downside. Yeah. So it is a possibility, a huge opportunity to get in very cheap, because I expect here 50% drop. This is a place in which XCP is very strong. If you look here, test, test, test. So see, if someone buy XCP at 15, 16, 17 cent, then here's a lucky man, because I think even if the price is going to 0.006 or 0.007, so what? Yeah, if you look here, the opportunity and the possibility to make here money until 2025, this is big, because I calculate with a sideways movement, yeah, like this, and then if this play out and turn out here, yeah, that means with this level we test this. This is explosive. Yeah, that means we will break this. Let me look, make this in another color that you see this. Yeah. The reason is we have here a W pattern. The W pattern, I make this in blue that you see this. Yeah. This W pattern is very aggressive bullish. Yeah. So for me, it's now a question. XRP will reach here $2. But here's the important question. When is possible that XRP can see higher levels? Yeah. So I calculate with 2025 that we break out from this structure here, because the negative trend line is here over. Yeah, 2024 is the trend line. If you look here at this level, 2024 beginning March, yeah, February, March, is this over. The negative trend is over. That means the positive trend begins, and we begin with a W pattern. And if this turn out, then the next level in which the XRP price will stay here is this. We will not break this resistance. That means from this point, the big money is coming. Yeah. So we're looking here in the chat. I make here 2 more, and then I would finish. Then I would make a video analysis for you. Let's look. Let's look to ETC, and then the next is after ETC, what we can make. Let's make KSM. Okay. We make ETC. This is this Ethereum Classic. Oi, this is big. This is big. This is big. If I see this spike, this is for me clear, because this is for us a sign. The sign means, look, if some of our, if any crypto goes from $7 to 200, yeah, we have a megaphone pattern. That means the range is very big here. Yeah, the channel is big, and that means this Ethereum Classic will fly. Okay, I understand, because Ethereum is going to 80,000. Will go here to 80,000. So this will also fly, and but we need here the time, like in the another, like other cryptos, yeah, that we need here the time until 2025. Let me look here if the whales manipulate the price or not. Let's look here more inside. So same game. If you look, we have here an uptrend, or we had an uptrend here. Look, and we broke this very clear, yeah, here. So what if the price is going here to these levels? Yeah, in the end of the day, we have to go here down. And since June, you can see this uptrend is manipulated. So not wondering, even if the price, yeah, even if the price is break this structure, because we have a left shoulder, head, and right shoulder formation, go to these levels. Yeah, please not irritate it, because even if the price is going to 50, because we have here the first resistance, I think, or I see this, that we have here not so good structure. That means double top, highly danger, the price will come down and we will see new lows. So I would say 50% drop from 30 is 15. Yeah. Let's say the Bitcoin price is going really hard to the downside. Then I see here at 8, 9, $7 a good base to get in, so that we can start here our uptrend. Yeah, no financial advice if you look, but we will not go so much to the upside. We need here the time to come out from this negative trend. That means the price will fight here a little bit, yeah, sideways to build this structure, and then we have the same structure like the XRP price. You can see we built here a hammer, and this hammer is very exclusive positive. The price will fly to the upside, and I think not in this 6 months or something like that, we will go like that to the upside. The price will go really hard to the upside. Yes. So we're looking here to the chat. Let's look to, okay, let's look to Maker, KSM, and then I would finish. Yeah. In the next live, if I go coming live, then I would look to HBAR and Solana. Yeah. So I would say let's look here to two. Wow, this is hot. So it's not necessary to analyze because this is too hot. We can expect the price here. I say here end target, that you understand what you could get in the Wolf price target. Yeah, because the end target here is until, I would say, until 2025, 26, $4,000. Yeah, because the reason is the big whales and the big boss and the big mans, yeah, they want this crypto in their system. Yeah, and if this crypto come to the mainstream, and everybody buy the cryptos, then you cannot find the price of KSM here at $40. Yeah, because the third wave is not, how can I say, not yet here. Yeah, so at the moment we are here at the cryptos in the second wave. Yeah, and the third wave is something like this. Yeah, very positive, and this will go very crazy to the upside, like the Bitcoin price here. Look here, the Bitcoin price will go here to the downside, but it is possible to read here this chart, and that means the next move of Bitcoin is here, 85,000. So, and then we build here our structure, left shoulder head, and this will explode here. So this will explode. Yeah, and imagine if the Bitcoin price is here at 150,000. This is not the end target. Then this kind of cryptos will fly. But nobody see this. And that's the reason why we, or the chart readers, not the boom boys, yeah, say to you, okay, it is possible to see this because look to the past, same game here. Price is here, let me look, price was here at $30. And if I predict to you here 2020, the price will go higher to these levels, 600, you not believe me, yeah? You have to look, you have the vision, yeah? This is a very powerful crypto. So you understand, we're looking here to the last, let me look, let me look, what was this? Maker, yeah. Let's look to Maker, yeah. And the next, in the next live, I would make the others. So let's look to Maker. So, so same game. It's not necessary to analyze because you can see here. This is incredible. Yeah, if you see this, um, I won't not give you a financial advice, but this is if somebody invests here at Maker, then if the project is not dead, yeah, or something like that, then he is a millionaire because you have to look here. The price was here $500, and this is going to 10 times higher. Normally, if we take the average of this, yeah, and say, okay, not we have here 10 times higher, we're going here 5 times higher, then we have to go here to 15,000. Yeah? That means here 15,000 is the target. You can see how much you can earn here, but the 15,000 is not the end target. This is like this chart is a similar chart like the Ethereum price, or Ethereum, because if we break here some structure, this will fly. And it means if we analyze this very detailed, then I see prices higher than 15,000. Yeah. Same here. If you want here exclusive and detailed analyze, please come on the Wolf. Come on the Wolf price target. Then higher levels is possible. If I predict for Ethereum 80,000, and if I say to you this has the same structure, then this is really peanuts here. Yeah. Let's look how far we can go here to the downside. At the moment we test here this level here, exact this level. If you look, let's look here, exact this, look here. So short term we could get here due to the structure a positive move to the upside, but I think we'll go here to the downside. Let me look more inside. Let me look. So we have a gap to these areas, yeah. So let me look what we have here. I calculate with a break of this structure. Yeah. Let me look. Because the Bitcoin price is at these levels 20,000, and we know, okay, the Bitcoin price will go to the downside, and if the Bitcoin price is going to the downside, the maker price will break here also down. And additional information for you, this here is manipulated, so that this here is normally this here, yeah. So the whales manipulate this to the downside, so we have no chance to go here to the upside. We have to come down. Maybe it is possible to get here the maker price here for 200. 200 is very cheap, yeah. but the target you can see is much higher. So we finish here. Stay on the channel. I will make new videos for you. Become a member. Use the exclusive content. Yeah, because this is not a prediction in which I make this run.